Okay, so good morning, guys. My mate is about to pick me up and he's gonna pull over anytime now. He's a friend from the Philippines. He's been here for like 3 months, and today I decided to be like a tour guide for them. I think we're going to go visit Cambridge. It's so good to see the sun today. And pardon me for my voice because I was not feeling well for the past 2 days and I don't know why I sound like this. It's a bit better now because yesterday I couldn't really speak or talk, but I don't know, I think it's working. Nah, it's shit. I don't really like my voice and it's really hard to talk. I mean, it's better now compared to yesterday. I'm just so excited because it's been a while since I hang out with my mate or with my bro. And we used to hang out all the time back in the Philippines. A little backstory, I have been in the UK for almost 3 years now. Bright and sunny day, it's a beautiful day. Perfect for vlogging and filming. One of the things I hate about England is that you don't have your own parking. So, I mean, most of the houses here uses their garage for storage. And it depends on the time. Like, if you get in late or get home late, you might have to walk maybe 50 to 100 feet just to have a decent parking. And most of the cars are parked on the road since we're all paying road tax in here, so I guess that makes sense. But having your own garage where you can work on your car, wash your car, it's just the thing that I miss. I guess it's one of the things I miss most in the Philippines. Oh, there's my mate calling me right now. Hello. Okay, sige dito. Okay lang. Inano ko lang kasi. Hello. Hello? Okay. No problem. Okay, sige. Yeah, so they'll be arriving in like 5 minutes. Am I recording? I think I am, yeah. We're good. Such a fail if I've been talking for the past 10 minutes and I forgot to press record. On a side note though, I wish I did get the a larger storage or a larger memory card because I don't know, it just makes everything easier, but those cards are really expensive. So I opted for the 64 gig ones and I'm using the brand Lexer. And it's a V90 because sometimes I like to shoot in SNQ mode. Yeah, that's kind of like one thing to consider when you're starting out or if you want to get into content creation. You should not forget your sunblock when the sun is this high, because in the long run it's gonna damage your skin, so it's always better to be prepared. Yeah, I think they're almost here. What's good, bro? Teka, forward ko muna. Yeah, they're here. So ano? Saan tayo?
Cambridge.
Oh, nagtatagalog kami. Pinoy talaga kami. Sige, wait lang. Ngayon lang ako magbablog ng Tagalog kasi lagi, siyempre kasama ko mga Pinoy, bakit ba? Boss! Ang pangit ng boses ko, boss!
Lagi kang may sakit eh.
Wala nga eh. Kaya ay gago.
Nagtataka.
Tagal mo na nagdadrive dito, ayop ka.
Hindi, biglang mag-orange.
Oo, ganun nga. Kaya turista ka naman. Bahala kayo dyan. Sarap na itong gamitin, no? Ang luwang no?
Tsaka tipid pre.
Matipid. Ano ba to? Plug-in hybrid o petrol?
Parang hybrid siya, pero diesel. Pwede ba yun?
Ah, diesel?
Oo.
Ewan ko.
Diesel eh, kakapagas lang namin kanina.
845 miles. Gago! Totoo ba yan?
Nagpulta kami kanina.
Ang laki ng tangke nito, men. Yung sasakyan ko, 385 na ata yung sagad. Full tank. Ito, puta 800. Kahit punta tayo Europe.
Ang weird ng weather dito.
Pa-spring na kasi pre, kaya nagbabago na. Init nga eh. Kaya tatanggal lang ako ng jacket para akong nagpepenitensya dito eh.
Ay, yung pala yun.
Oo. Ano? Tara. Nakita yung sunroof, di ba? Guys, naka-sunroof.
Look, baby, I'm way too to be worried about what a say about me. I'm way too fly to be coming down.
Ayun, yun. Diba? Init. Ang aircon kasi na ito parang hindi namin ma-open. Walang squam yun.
Squab! Ngayon lang ba nag-drive yung mga yan?
Ano kayo na nakasakay?
Racks on the line, beefing with a bum, yapping on the gram, he ain't eating on the crumb. And with a stepper, baby, you know how to play it. I don't speak a lot, but I just mean it when I say it.
Kailangan yun.
Bakit?
Hindi mo kasi napapansin na damage yung skin. Hindi, totoo. Meron ako dito. May baon ako.
Hindi na.
Kailangan mag-replenish every Mala ka, maga akong tatanda. Gago.
Tagal kong hinahanap yung araw na yun eh.
Oo, pero kailangan mo ng sunblock. Ang traffic. Nagpoint na lang kita doon. Kakana na lang tayo dyan, no? Ang tagal ng traffic na yon. Pakaliwa pa ka lang kami sa parking. Ang daming turista ngayon, daming tao. Oh my god. Doon naman dito ka na. Mag-right ka na dito.
Lower?
Oo. Kasi sige, upper na pala. Sorry. Upper na lang. Kasi sasarado naman to pag walang pag nagbukas yung ilaw, sir. May gagawa na sa club. Gago, may ambient lighting po.
Yes, sir.
Mercedes. Dumiretso ko na sa taas. Ay, ito pala.
Alin?
Ayun, no? Wala na, lumampas ka na eh.
Hindi ko nakitang atras.
Mas nakakahilo yung camera niya, no?
Bruh.
Child lock ata.
My life be like.
Hari.
Mag-lift tayo.
Lift na lang.
Arte mo? So sushi mania, Korean and Japanese fusion. 2 hours na silang nagda-drive. Kaya, actually, 3 hours na siguro. Kaya gutom na, pati ako gutom na rin ako. Gutom na yung mga kasama ko, kaso mali pala. Mali yung pupuntahan ko dapat. Sushi Mania yung pupuntahan namin, kaso dadaling ko sila dun sa Wex.
Ano yun?
Tindahan ng camera. Na-excite ako masyado eh. Di tayo pre, turn right, turn right.
Mga tao dito.
Kain na kayo. Tito Dakimas.
Ito yun.
Ayan.
Yung last na 3 araw natin. Kain tayo ng kaso.
Ano yan? Tapos na yung first round. Gusto pa nila mag-ramen. We had like ebi tempura, oyster tempura. Ang dami, wait lang. So, ito na yung... Bro,
Kain pa.
kain pa? Kaya pa? Ano, ramen next?
Ramen.
No, third round. Ramen.
Last round yung ramen.
Chumerl? Ramen? Ramen? Ramen. Okay. Bahala kayo. Hindi ko na kaya mag-ramen.
A few moments later.
Sir, kamusta na sir? Kaya pa? Sir, ito po yung kinain namin. Hindi ka na nakapag-ramen eh. Yun yung mahirap. Hindi ka na nakapag-ramen.
Dami pa yun, no?
Saan tayo pupunta after?
Kape. Lagyan mo sa t-shirt si Balot.
Ang brainy mo dun, bro. Ilagay mo sa tissue, yung bulsa mo. Gago po. Medyo napadami po yung order nila. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Maglalakad na kami papuntang King's College. Dami namin nakain. Napasobra ata yung order. Wag lang hindi napansin na may konting tira. Sayang lang kasi tapos na yung araw. Tagal namin dun eh. Halos 2 hours kami. Supposedly 1 hour and 45 minutes lang. Ready? Meron kaming pupuntahan landmark, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag. Basta tawag ko sa kanya parang lamok or grasshopper. Tara, ready?
Over and done with you.
Mababaw lang yan.
Kaya lang malamig, boss.
Oh, yun lang. Saka sarap mag-picnic sa mga usong-uso dito, mag-picnic sa mga park. Kaya pag lumabas araw talaga, daming nakahiga dyan, ikwentuhan, tambay. Yun yung pinakatambay nila kasi sa atin itatago sa araw eh.
Here we go again, pressing rewind.
Yo, Pinoy's in Cambridge, yeah.
Dream materialize, and there were you. I'm struggling to realize it's.
Anything else for you? Are you staying in a sick night?
Saying,
Take my card.
grabe. Kamusta ang Cambridge, guys?
Cambridge.
Babalik?
Maraming pagkain.
Miss nyo ng Pilipinas?
Oo.
Ang tagal-tagal nyo na dito. 3 months na.
December 3 ako umalis sa Pinas.
Dito ka na nga nagpasko, tsaka New Year eh. Para akong yung project. Kakadating lang namin dito. Kasi kanina pa kami nasa kalsada. Pagod na rin yung driver namin. Kaya eto, kailangan talaga namin ng kape.
Ito na-try set sa man.
Ayun. Ito. Okay, it's time to call it a day. Ano? Monday na lang? Oxford?
Monday, kung walang sketch.
Wala yan for sure. Lagi namang wala eh. Uwian na. Andiyan naman ang food. Boss!
Boss!
Ano pre?
Kamusta
Thank you,
buhay?
Oy!
Straight from the